Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how to block a buyer on eBay. Let's get started. First, you need to log into your eBay account using your credentials. You have the option to log in with your Facebook, Google, or Apple account. If you don't have an account yet, now is a great time to create one. Choose between a personal or business account by providing your full legal name, email, and password. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup by clicking on the Create Account button. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard of your account. Here, you'll see options like Activity, Messages, and Account. Click on Account. From there, hover down to Account Preferences and click on it. Next, click on Permissions. In the left side panel of your dashboard, select Selling and then click on Selling Preferences. Scroll down to find your buyers and click on Blocked Buyer List Edit. This is where you can block buyers from your listings if you prefer not to sell to certain eBay members. Adding someone to the blocked list prevents them from bidding, buying, making offers, or sending messages on any of your listings. You can block up to 5,000 members. To block a member, simply enter the member's username and click Submit. For example, if you want to block a specific person, scroll to their username, paste it into the field, and click Submit. Remember, you can block up to 5,000 members. Additionally, you have the option to restore a past blocked buyer list by clicking Restore List. Note that you can only restore lists from up to 3 months prior. It's important to inform members if you decide to remove them from the blocked list so they can resume bidding on your items. If you encounter any issues while navigating or blocking a buyer on eBay, you can click on Help and Contact for further assistance. The eBay customer service team will be happy to help you successfully block a buyer or bidder if needed. That's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.